This video compares Xiki to traditional shell consoles. In traditional shell consoles, you can only type commands at the lowest prompt. In Xiki, you can make a prompt anywhere just by typing a $sign. In traditional shells, you can filter command output by piping to grep. In Xiki, you can just type any string to incrementally filter down to it. And you can delete arbitrary parts of the output, just like you would in a text editor. The traditional shell way of showing the contents of a directory is to do a cd and an ls. In Xiki, you can just move your cursor down and expand the directory in place. Then you can filter down or expand other directories, and even open files to edit them. Traditional shell consoles let you clear the screen and scroll around, but old commands and their output are frozen. In Xiki, old commands and their output are always editable, so you can delete commands you don't care about anymore, rearrange commands by copying and pasting, run commands again, add notes and save them to text files, and open them later to run commands again, or give the files to friends and team members so they can run the commands. With traditional shells, people copy and paste commands back and forth from their notes to run them. In Xiki, you can run commands right from your notes. With traditional shells, you often run a few commands in a row, copying and pasting or retyping parameters between them. In Xiki, you can use a command's output like an interactive interface, so you can do in a few keystrokes what used to take multiple commands. You can use the history command, Ctrl-R, and the up arrow in traditional shells. In Xiki, you can see the history for a command in your specific directory, see your favorite ways to run that command, and see common examples for the command. But Xiki does way more than just run shell commands. See the main Kickstarter video for how Xiki can also navigate file and directory paths, run commands underneath directories, navigate files and run commands on remote servers, search files, respond to the mouse, interact with the web browser, send tweets, texts, and emails, try out HTML and CSS, make bootstrap layouts, get up and running with libraries like Three.js, navigate and edit the DOM in the browser, make notes with links in Google searches, run SQL statements and update the record by editing the output, navigate databases and tables, make notes with headings and bullet points, search and navigate the headings of your notes, put runnable code examples in notes, create commands just by dragging txt, Python, Ruby, and JavaScript files into the commands directory in your home directory, navigating commands you create in the web browser, and even creating commands using the web browser. You'll find the main video that shows all of this at the top of the Xiki Kickstarter page.